Hello. This is Drew with Michigan Adventure Life. Today I'm here with Dick.
What's up, guys?
And John.
Hello.
And what are we doing?
Getting set up for rifle season.
Yep, it's the day before opening day, and we're out at John's property somewhere outside of Albion, Michigan. And we're gonna get ourselves set up to try and stick as a spiky boy. So, thanks for joining the adventure. Stick around.
Been up here for a little bit now, seen a few deer. Now it's cold. Luckily, I did bring a snowsuit, so I'm gonna have to climb back down and get it, but I'm really worried about spooking those deer that have been coming through randomly. Be real stealthy. We have little deer. There's some little antlers. There's a deer. Just a little doe, we're not gonna shoot it. Been out here a couple hours now. Seen a lot. Like 8. All crossing this stream here and headed in to those guys. So hopefully one of them will get a nice size doe. Me, I'm waiting for that big buck. Good old spiky boy. Just seen that doe. Don't want to take doe early in the morning. Because there's chances are bucks are following him. So I'm out here in my blind. Just kinda waiting. A little shaky, but you know, I'm in the equivalent of shelves, 15 feet in the air. Literally Costco shelves. That's what's holding me up. I'm shaking it as I'm talking. Let's kill a spiky. Finally went down and got the orange suit on because it was cold. Didn't spook any deer, and now they're just running through. You can tell it's gun season. Keep seeing deer just cruising through there. They come out and go into that field, and they've just been going into the woods over there. I really don't want to shoot at a moving deer, but they're not stopping even for my calls. That was wicked. That buck that never got close enough, the one I was just filming. I'm pretty sure that was the deer I missed during bow season, or the one I hit and didn't find.
Here she was, stuck passed through all the way on the ground, just absolutely saturated in blood. So we're gonna have to chalk this one up to a loss.
He's got a hell of a limp, but he survived. So that's cool. Can't blame him for not coming close enough this time. Gave me a wide berth. But he's out there. Makes me happier.
Out here a little while, only have seen the doe, but I think whatever the next deer we see, when we see it, we're gonna take it. But yeah, so next deer we see, we're gonna take it. Been out here a little while, you know. There's scrapes, rubs, everywhere. But so far, the only deer that people have seen, I think, are doe. But for my first deer, you know, be nice to be a buck, but I'll take a doe.
There's another doe right there. If she'd move so you could see her. I think I'm gonna get my gun out just in case. Man, I am on my hands and knees in my tree, craning every which way to see this doe. We said we weren't gonna shoot does before 10 a.m. And she walked back there right at 10 a.m. and hasn't come out since. And it is killing me. As soon as she sticks out, though. So once that doe stuck her head out, she was a little small. You look at the snout needs to be like 2/3 of the head. Then a spike chased another small doe through. I put my scope on those deer instead of the camera, sorry, but couldn't decide if I wanted to shoot him or not, but I decided not to. Another small doe, small spike. But we're gonna keep going. There are lots of deer, just I want to find the right one.
Just a spiker.
So, Drew got a deer, 12 point. Right now we're just putting it on the buck rack. He's a beaut. You also got a doe. We're gonna put that one up too. Oh, look at that rack. Here we go with the doe. Two deer. Day one. This guy. Way to go, Drew.
Thanks. High five.
High five.
Get you done tomorrow?
Yep. Should I mention your other one?
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, it's legal. There's a tag on it. It was an accident, but
2 for 1?
2 for 1.
Nice.
Shot through a deer into another deer. Had to put another tag on it.
Here's the third guy.
Well, that's why I'm holding.
You can get a couple out here tomorrow, John?
You know it, we're just gonna.
We're taking back to Dangles tomorrow, so that goes in the sled.
Any last words about your deer here?
You know, I figure since I lost all the footage, I'll probably film the story and tell it in its place.
Okay.
But you know, that's pretty much it for Drew's deer adventure.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get it done for Dick and John.
Sweet.
You know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe in the lower corner.
And if you have an extra cell phone, let us know. Maybe.
This has been Michigan Adventure Life.
Yep.
Without a cell phone.